How to remove page in Adobe Acrobat. Alright, let's jump right into it. Need to erase a page or two from a PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Super easy, don't sweat it. First thing you gotta do is make sure you have got a PDF open in your Adobe Acrobat, obviously. Now look over to your right hand side, you will see several options on this menu bar right over here. From this option, simply tap on this type of icon which shows a page or two. Simply tap on it, and that will give you the preview of the pages that you have in your PDF right now. And just beside it, you will see an option for delete. You can see it right over here. Tap on it. So this feature, that is delete, insert, extract worded PDF pages, is only available for the premium user. However, I am using a free version, so I may not be able to show you the rest process, but the whole process is same. I have just didn't show you the last process, so overall that was the process. I hope this helped. Want to remove a bunch of pages at once? No problem. Hold down to Ctrl key or Command on Mac and click on all the thumbnails of the pages you want to delete. Right click on any of the selected thumbnails and choose delete pages. Easy peasy. Give it a try. Let me know in the comments if you run into any snags. And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.